Severe storms swept through eastern Nebraska early on August 9th, 2025, particularly in Two River State Park near Waterloo, about 5 miles west of Omaha. A large cottonwood tree was uprooted by high winds over 80 miles per hour and fell on a car, killing a woman and critically injuring a man. It took the Waterloo Volunteer Fire Department about 90 minutes to extricate the man from the vehicle and take him to the University of Nebraska Medical Center.
Sirens wailed as...
According to some reports, the victim and his friend moved from a tent into the vehicle to take shelter as the storm hit. Nebraska Governor Jim Pillen publicly expressed his condolences to the victim's family and expressed his gratitude to the rescue team for their quick and efficient response. Strong winds caused numerous trees to be uprooted and power lines to be snapped, causing widespread power outages for thousands of residents in suburbs such as Omaha and Lincoln. At the Nebraska State Penitentiary in Lincoln, 2 housing units were severely damaged, resulting in the displacement of 387 inmates. Fortunately, no one was injured and all were safe. 250 people were moved to the gym at the same facility. 137 people were transferred to other centers. Some areas recorded peak winds of up to 91 miles per hour, about 146 kilometers per hour, such as at Lincoln and Fairmont airports, Fillmore County. The strong winds not only devastated the landscape, but also damaged the ceiling of the warehouse in Blair and created a great risk of flying materials. As of Sunday morning, more than 7,600 customers in Douglas, Sarpy, Washington, Saunders, and other counties were without power, along with about 8,500 customers in Lincoln. Immediately after the jail roof was damaged early on August 9th, the agency activated its emergency response plan to ensure the safety of inmates and staff.
Oh my God.
The Omaha Public Power District, OPPD, and Lincoln Electric System, LES, companies mobilized repair crews and support from neighboring states to restore power. Rescue, recovery, and community teams are working together to clear fallen trees, restore traffic safety, and restore power infrastructure. Community safety emergency. Rapid interaction between prisons, rescue workers, and local authorities has helped mitigate further risk and damage. Infrastructure needs. Damage from high winds. Highlights vulnerability of power systems and power lines, requiring long-term investment in improvements. Disaster preparedness and prevention. enhanced warning plans, shelters, training, and protection of public facilities, such as parks, prisons, and power lines are needed. Total storm damage from late July to early August, July 31st to August 1st, and continuing through the following week, is estimated by the Nebraska Governor's Office to exceed $34.6 million. The storm impacted Cass, Douglas, Lancaster, Sarpy, and Saunders counties with high winds, thunderstorms, and heavy rain. It also caused a historic power outage in the Omaha Public Power District, OPPD, affecting more than 221,000 customers, and about 34,000 customers lost power at the Lincoln Electric System, LES. The damage spanned about 230 miles, according to the governor's office, highlighting the widespread impact of the disaster. Governor Jim Pillen has requested federal assistance for damage from thunderstorms, straight-line winds, hail, and flooding that occurred from late July to early August 2025 in Cass, Douglas, Lancaster, Sarpy, and Saunders counties. Total estimated damages exceed $34.6 million.
Tornado, look at it.
If approved, the grant will support emergency work and repair or replacement of damaged facilities. If the disaster declaration is approved, residents may receive temporary housing, repair, or financial assistance through FEMA or similar federal programs, FEMA, individual assistance, public assistance.
I fucking sent her a little too fucking hard.
Every scene you just witnessed is not only a reminder of how fragile we are in the face of nature, but also a warning bell. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the most shocking and raw footage nature has to offer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.